Now see exercise 4.5, question number 1. If A equals to elements of matrix A in first row 2 minus 3, in second row minus 5 4, in third row minus 6 1, matrix B having elements in first row minus 1 2, in second row 2 2, in third row 0 3. Matrix C having elements in first row 4 3, in second row minus 1 4, in third row minus 2 1. Show that sub question 1 A plus B equals to B plus A, that is addition of these two matrices A and B is commutative, and second A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C, that is addition is associative. So first we solve the sub question 1. So in previous lecture we discussed algebra of matrices, that is addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, and scalar multiple of a matrix. So see, we consider here LHS first. So LHS is A plus B, that means we have to add matrix A with matrix B. So we substitute first matrix A and matrix B. Then while adding two matrix, their order must be same. So here order of first matrix A is 3 by 2, order of matrix B is 3 by 2. So while adding the matrix, we have to add corresponding elements. So we add 2 with minus 1, minus 3 with plus 2, and for remaining elements also. So we write here 2 minus 1 as plus 1, minus 3 plus 2 as minus 1, minus 5 plus 2 as minus 3, 4 plus 2 as 6, then minus 6 plus 0, that is minus 6, and 1 plus 3, that is 4. So this is LHS. Now we calculate RHS, that is value of B plus A. So we write here RHS equals to B plus A. Now substitute value of matrix B first and then value of matrix A. So we add this minus 1 with this 2, so we get here plus 1. Then this 2 with minus 3, we get minus 1, plus 2 with minus 5, so we get minus 3, 2 with 4, we get 6, 0 with minus 6, we get minus 6, and 3 with 1, we get 4. So if you observe here, value of LHS and value of RHS have equal matrix. So by equality of matrix, we say A plus B equals to B plus A. So right here LHS equals to RHS. Now see sub question second. We have to show addition of A plus B with C is equivalent with addition of B plus C with A. So see, we write A plus B first because we calculate left hand side first. So calculate A plus B first. So as we add for sub question 1, we add A with B, that is we add corresponding elements of matrix A with corresponding elements of matrix B. So 2 with minus 1, we get 1, minus 3 with 2, we get minus 1, minus 5 with 2, we get minus 3, then 4 with 2, we get 4 plus 2 6, then minus 6 plus 0, we get minus 6, and 1 plus 3, we get 4. Now we add this A plus B with matrix C. So we write here LHS equals to A plus B plus C. Now substitute value of A plus B as this matrix having element in first row 1 minus 1, in second row minus 3 6, in third row minus 6 4. Then we substitute value of matrix C, that is elements of first row 4 3, second row minus 1 4 and third row minus 2 1 here. So we add these two matrices, that is matrix A plus B and matrix C. So we add 1 with 4 we get 5, minus 1 with 3 we get plus 2, minus 3 minus 1 we get minus 4, 6 plus 4 we get 10, then minus 6 minus 2 we get minus 8, 4 plus 1 we get 5. So this is left hand side. Similarly we have to find right hand side. So for that we have to add matrix B with matrix C first. So we write here matrix B plus C. So substitute value of matrix B and value of matrix C. So we add corresponding element. So C minus 1 plus 4 we get 3 here. Then 2 plus 3 we get 5, plus 2 minus 1 we get 1, 2 plus 4 we get 6, 0 minus 2 we get minus 2 and 3 plus 1 we get 4. This is value of B plus C. Now we required A plus B plus C. So we add this addition with matrix A. So we write RHS equals to A plus B plus C. Now substitute the value of matrix A and add with matrix B plus C. So we substitute A and value of this calculated matrix B plus C here. Then add the corresponding elements. So we get 2 plus 3 as 5, minus 3 plus 5 as 2, then minus 5 plus 1 as minus 4, then 4 plus 6 as 10, minus 6 minus 2 as minus 8 and 1 plus 4 as 5. So if you observe LHS and RHS, the elements of first row for LHS are 5 2, for RHS also 5 2, for second row elements are minus 4 10 and for RHS also elements of second row are minus 4 10, for LHS elements of third row are minus 8 5, for RHS elements of third row are also minus 8 5, that means LHS equals to RHS. So matrix addition for the given matrix is associative. So we write here LHS equals to RHS. Now see question number second. If A equals to matrix having elements 1 minus 2 in first row and 5 3 in second row, matrix B having elements in first row 1 minus 3, in second row 4 minus 7, then find the matrix A minus 2B plus 6I, where I is the unit matrix of order 2. So here first we write the given form in answer A minus 2B plus 6I. Here given condition is I is the unit matrix of order 2. So we have to take unit matrix, that is identity matrix of order 2. So we substitute here matrix A, which is given having elements 1 minus 2 5 3. So we substitute value of matrix A, then 2 into value of matrix B, that is matrix B having element 1 minus 3 4 minus 7 here, then plus 6 into identity matrix. So here we have considered matrix having element 1 0 0 1 because given matrix is of order 2 by 2. Now first we apply the scalar multiplication rule for the matrix. Here 2 is scalar multiple, here 6 is scalar multiple. So we have to multiply by 2 to each element of this matrix, and we have to multiply by 6 to each element of this matrix. So first we write this scalar multiplication. So keep matrix A elements as it is, minus we multiply by 2 not by minus 2. So we keep minus sign as it is. So we write here 2 into 1 as 2, 2 into minus 3 as minus 6, 2 into 4 as 8 and 2 into minus 7 as minus 14. if you multiply by minus 2, then you have to write here plus sign, and here you have to write minus 2 plus 6 minus 8 plus 14 if you multiply by minus 2. Then we multiply by 6 to this third matrix to each element. So 6 into 1 we get 6, 6 into 0 0, 6 into 0 0, 6 into 1 6. Now we have to add these three matrix. So while adding these matrix we have to multiply by minus sign to each element of second matrix. So we write in one matrix 1 minus 2 plus 6, then minus 2 minus minus get plus 6, then plus 0. We add corresponding elements, then 5 minus 8, then plus 0, then 3 minus minus get plus 14, then plus 6. So here 1 minus 2 plus 6 we get 1 plus 6 7, 7 minus 2 we get 5. So we write here 5 as first element, then minus 2 plus 6, so 6 minus 2 we get plus 4 as second element, then 5 minus 8 we get minus 3, then 3 plus 14 plus 6 we get 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 3 that is 23. So in this way we find a minus 2b plus 6i.